So I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic dubbing on your YouTube channel. So you want to go to YouTube and then go to your YouTube studio by clicking on your profile icon and selecting YouTube studio. In the YouTube studio interface, go to the left hand side and click on settings. Should be somewhere down below here. And then from the settings pop-up window, click on channel. Under channel, you want to click on advanced settings. And then now you can scroll under advanced settings until you find the automatic dubbing section, and you should see the option allow automatic dubbing. So you want to make sure that's checked, and then you can choose whether you want to review dubs in all languages or just review dubs in experimental languages only. I think the best setting for me is to leave it on review dubs in experimental languages only, so that you have automatic dubbing for most languages. Once you check that, then make sure you click on save to save that change. And that's it. That's basically how to turn on automatic dubbing on your YouTube channel so that YouTube can automatically render your videos in multiple languages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.